Activities to complete. Activity number 1. Sign into your Facebook account and count the ads on the page. Count the number of times you see interruption-based marketing or push marketing. And think about how many of those ads you actually took any notice of in the past and how effective they were on you. Ask yourself this question: when was the last time you clicked on one of those links? And what was it that made you click? Activity number 2. Without reviewing the lesson, write a sentence to explain the difference between push and pull marketing. Activity number 3. Without reviewing the lesson, name 3 types of social proof that you would like to see more of in your online marketing campaigns.